Hello boys and girls, this is Miss King with your science lesson today. We have been learning a lot this week about the life cycle of a plant. So let's review just a minute. What is the life cycle of a plant? Can you guys help me remember? First, of course, you have a seed. That's the first thing that a plant starts with, is a seed. Then you have the sprout. What happens is your seed opens up and a small little plant starts to grow from your seed, and that is called the sprout. Then you can go to, who remembers? Right, the seedling. The seedling has no flowers. It is just the stem and some leaves that come off the side. Once it continues to grow, it goes into a young adult, and this is where you're going to start seeing your leaves that are on your plant. And then once you let it grow just a little bit more, that's when you run into your big bloom or your big plant. And these are the plants that you normally see in Home Depot or Walmart, or sometimes maybe your family has a flower garden out back, and you know, you see the big flowers on these plants. Those are the adult plants or the big bloom plants. Okay, so your activity for today is to plant a seed of your own. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can plant a seed. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a cup or a pot. It doesn't matter whether it's a cup, plastic cup from inside, or if you have a pot laying around. And you're going to go and you're going to put a little bit of dirt in there. Now you don't want to fill it all the way up. You just want to put a little bit of dirt. I don't know if you can see that in there. So you have some room for your plant to grow. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to give it just put a little bit of water inside your plant. Okay, then you're going to take your seed and you're going to push it all the way down. Now you just want to get it just under the surface. You don't want to push it all the way down to the bottom, because it'll take a while for it to grow. Okay, so you're going to put it in, make sure you cover it up, and give it a little more water. And it may take just a little bit for the water to soak into your dirt, and that is okay. Okay, so that is the first way that you can plant a seed. Now, if you don't have a pot or cup at home, you can also use a plastic bag. What you're going to need is a simple plastic bag, and you're going to need a paper towel. Okay, now your paper towel needs to be a little damp, not soaked, so when you squeeze it, it doesn't drip out, but just a little wet on your paper towel, and you're going to slide it inside your paper bag like this. Okay. Once it's in the bag, you're going to take your seed and you're going to place your seed inside the bag. Okay. Now, you're not going to close it all the way up, because if we close it all the way up, your plant may not grow. Can anybody remember why it can't grow? What are the three things that your plant is going to need? Air, exactly. Water, right? And sunlight. Okay, so then you're going to take your bag and you're going to tape it to a windowsill or the side of your porch, wherever, but you don't want to just leave it outside, because something might happen to it, because it'll blow away. So make sure you tape it down somewhere. Okay, and if you have it in a pot, just leave it outside on your front porch and make sure that you give it plenty of water each day and see what grows. And when it's all done and it's grown, I want you to take a picture and send it to your teachers. You guys have a fantastic day and happy growing. Bye, guys.